Everything we communicate at church, both music and speech, goes through the filter of the soundboard. When Jesus spoke to a crowd, he went up onto a mountainside or out onto the water to better address the people. When David wanted music, he appointed 4,000 Levites as musicians. Throughout history, we've designed sweeping architecture and created entire orchestras to facilitate communication of speech and music. Today, we have PA speakers, mics, and soundboards. My name is Jeff Neufeld, and my heart is to enable the people of the church to use these tools we have effectively and passionately to the best of their ability to serve our communities. Over the course of 4 evenings, we're going to explore how to effectively serve our churches from the sound booth. I hope you'll join me this fall as we get hands-on into sound mixing and making a joyful noise to the Lord.